109. Word order 1. Verb plus object, play some time. A. Verb plus object. The verb and the object normally go together. We do not usually put other words between them. Verb plus object. I like my job very much, not I like very much my job. Did you see your friends yesterday? Helen never drinks coffee. Study these examples. The verb and the object go together each time. Do you eat meat every day? Not do you eat every day meat? Everybody enjoyed the party very much. Not enjoyed very much the party. Our guide spoke English fluently, not spoke fluently English. I lost all my money and I also lost my passport. Not I lost also my passport. At the end of the street you will see a supermarket on your left. Not see on your left a supermarket. B. Play some time. Usually the verb and the place where go together. Go home, live in a city, walk, to work, etc. If the verb has an object, the place comes after the verb plus object. Take somebody home, meet a friend in the street. Time, when. How often? How long? Usually goes after place. Place plus time. Ben walks to work every morning. Not every morning to work. Sam has been in Canada since April. We arrived at the airport early. Study these examples. Time goes after place. I am going to Paris on Monday. Not I am going on Monday to Paris. They have lived in the same house for a long time. Do not be late. Make sure you are here by 8 o'clock. Sarah gave me a lift home after the party. You really shouldn't go to bed so late. It is often possible to put time at the beginning of the sentence. On Monday I am going to Paris. Every morning Ben walks to work. Sometime words, for example, always, never, usually, go with the verb in the middle of the sentence. See Unit 110. Unit 109. Exercises. 109.1. Is the word order right or wrong? Correct the sentences where necessary. 1. Everybody enjoyed the party very much. Okay. 2. Ben walks every morning to work. Ben walks to work every morning. 3. Joe does not like very much football. Joe does not like football very much. 4. I drink 3 or 4 cups of coffee every morning. Okay. 5. I ate quickly my breakfast and went out. I ate my breakfast quickly and went out. 6. Are you going to invite to the party a lot of people? A lot of people to the party. 7. I phoned Tom immediately after hearing the news. Okay. 8. Did you go late to bed last night? Did you go to bed late last night? 9. Did you learn a lot of things at school today? Okay. 10. I met on my way home a friend of mine. I met a friend of mine on my way home. 109.2. Put the parts of the sentence in the correct order. 1. The party, very much, everybody enjoyed. Everybody enjoyed the party very much. 2. We won, easily, the game. We won the game easily. 3. Quietly, the door, I closed. I closed the door quietly. 4. Tanya, quite well, speaks German. Tanya speaks German quite well. 5. Sam, all the time, TV, watches. Sam watches TV all the time. 6. Again, please do not ask that question. Please do not ask that question again. 7. Football, every weekend. Does Kevin play? Does Kevin play football every weekend? 8. Some money I borrowed from a friend of mine. I borrowed some money from a friend of mine. 109.3. Complete the sentences. Put the parts in the correct order. 1. For a long time, have lived in the same house. They have lived in the same house for a long time. 2. To the supermarket every Friday, go. I go to the supermarket every Friday. 3. Home, did you come so late? Why did you come home so late? 4. Her children takes every day to school. Sarah takes her children to school every day. 5. Been recently to the cinema. I have not been to the cinema recently. 6. At the top of the page, your name, write. Please write your name at the top of the page. 7. Her name, after a few minutes, remembered. I remembered her name after a few minutes. 8. Around the town, all morning, walked. We walked around the town all morning. 9. On Saturday night, did not see you at the party. I did not see you at the party on Saturday night. 10. Some interesting books found in the library. We found some interesting books in the library. 11. Her umbrella last night in a restaurant left. Laura left her umbrella in a restaurant last night. 12. Opposite the park, a new hotel are building. They are building a new hotel opposite the park.